enough gas?
See what I mean?
Well, at least we ran it. You mean you want to run it for a while, or you just want to run it till you know it doesn't have water in it?
No, I just want to run it up and back a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, what I'll do here, Chuck, is that I'll make this video private. I won't make it public. You send me an email, and I'll just send you a link so you can watch this.
Yeah, you can put it up. I don't care. That's fine.
Well, maybe I'll put it on the Gopher chapter. Of course, everybody can hear what I'm saying. You gotta pull the nozzle back.
Yeah, it's pushed down. It's okay. You got that little lip on there. You know, you just push it down.
Ah, those gas cans suck.
Well, that's the end of that one.
Okay, we got about half a cup of gas, and we're gonna go for a couple miles.
I don't think that really put very much in there.
No, probably not. We're neutral. You might want to choke. Absolute glorious day here in Tomahawk, Wisconsin. Temperatures in the upper 60s right now, light breeze. He made a wake.
It's already running down. About the down.
Is it? Well, let's just take her back then. At least we know there's no water in it.
Yeah, they really need to put that gas the end of it at the back
I don't
of the
know
tank.
why they put it up in the front there like that.
Bad design.
Yeah, it'll run out when it's got half a gallon left.
Those Gale engineers just weren't thinking too much that day.
Yeah, oh well.
You're going to be lucky to make it back without the oars.
Well, you don't want all that gas in that thing when you're all the way back to Santa Barbara. All the way across the country with gas dripping out of it. Yeah, you don't want that.
Yeah, that Mark 60 that I took back from Idaho, God, it stunk to high heavens in the car, and there wasn't anything I could do about it. I wrapped it up in a couple of garbage bags, you know, and it still stunk.
Oh, yeah.
It gave me a headache after a while. I had to have the windows open.
Yep. Alright, that better be enough for this video. Say goodbye, Chuck.
Goodbye, everybody. Wonderful time at AOMCI in Tomahawk.